I founded this firm over 16 years ago with a clear purpose. My purpose was to assemble a team of great trial lawyers that would provide excellent service to the regular people right here in San Luis Obispo County.
My wife's ex was a nightmare. He's PTSD, kind of crazy guy, did a lot of psychedelic drugs. That's what he actually used to do. Just a nut house, which is why she got away from him. It was just finally time to be like, hey, we just need to get rid of all of it. Get rid of his, parental rights, get rid of any little bit, because he's obviously not being a dad. Anytime we had any questions, they instantly got back to us. Nothing was ever left in the dark. If we didn't know something, there was never a hesitation to, ask or feel the question to them or anything like that. They were open to us 100%. It literally couldn't have went better. He's responsible for one of the greatest days of my life. We got the parental rights terminated and the adoption went through, and now everything's put to bed.
We're a full-service law firm, and by that I mean that we do family law, personal injury, and criminal defense.
A lady didn't see me and plowed right into my car. She totaled her car on my car, and I had some injuries from that. The next day I called their insurance company and I was trying to work it out, but I was just really having a hard time. And I had talked to some people I know and they told me to call Bill Ausman. And so I came down to the law firm for my consultation and we took it from there, and many doctor's appointments and a surgery later. But we ended up settling for $500,000. It was great because it covered the medical bills, and I couldn't have been able to cover all that because I had no health insurance.
What gives us an advantage is we go to court all the time. We're willing to try each and every case that we take on. And consequently, by trying these cases, we found that we get excellent settlements and excellent results across the board.
They said they did the test. They said I was a .08 and that they were taking me to jail. I got out of jail and I called William Ausman. I've heard good things about him, and he was actually able to get me off. They dismissed my case, and I actually never had to go to court. I'm amazed. I'm so happy that they took care of it.
I think we've been so successful because we really care. We're willing to do whatever it takes to be successful. We'll fight for our clients at every step of the way to provide them excellent service, excellent representation, and excellent results.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Clay. It's a pleasure. If you want personalized and aggressive representation every step of the way, give us a call.